So today I'm gonna fry thick cut pork cutlet. That's why it take long time for the making done inside of meat. So I'm set low temperature to frying 150. Okay. So I'm just cook 5 minutes in 150 degree temperature. So just take rest for 5 minutes, kind of like easing, take rest, okay? So I'm gonna set 180 high temperature. Where Japanese people call nido age. 180 set. Almost finished. So second time raise up temperature 180. Okay, done. Yeah. It's nice. Thick cut pork cutlets. Lemon a little bit with tonkatsu sauce. What taste? Soft. Oh, so good. Juicy inside. Oh. Cutlet. Good flavor. Outside is really crunchy. Butter flavors with bacon flavors mixed up. Good side order. So this galette with matching of like a fish meuniere or meat like this. Any kind of good matching. So if you like French fry, I really recommend it's good for you, good to you. Little mustard on top. Juicy. It's a big portion. I cannot eat one time. So this portion is good for the 2 people. Big tonkatsu, thick cut pork cutlets. So if you get some thick cut pork, you better try it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.